hang out or watch movies on theater. Hello, it's Sahrul. In this moment, I'd like to talk about two things people likely to do when spending their spare time on weekend. There are hang out and watch movies on theater. Both hang out and watch movies on theater are well known as entertainment tools to escape a daily life routine and refresh our minds, but offer a different enjoyment level on weekend. Hang out with family or friends is one of good choice to refresh our mind after weekday on our work. Good scenery and fresh air be a little reason why some people want to hang out, even though we have to prove the hard way to get to the destination we want. But for some people, they prefer to watch movie on theater because it can give a visual pleasure besides. A movie would let us sit and watch approximately 1 or more hours to enjoy one full story. This way, the time is effectively spent because you can feel refreshed with less work to think and less time to go wasted. Well, hang out and watching movies are two different things based on the place or the atmosphere, but they both are the same ways for people to get refreshed on weekend. Thank you.